Because the public scam is again sought to be, my lord, hidden under the carpet, adopting these tactics. Therefore, my lord has the inherent power to stay these orders.
No, we are not hearing that.
Well, there cannot be
Yes.
conflicting approaches before the different courts. In just court 34, they are saying something. In court here,
Why I am approaching my lord?
PMLA scam you all are looking into. Are you aware of the assets of the persons
Okay, that is
in respect of whom you are investigating these cases? Second, the list of assets of the directors of leaps and bounds, comma, the CEO and all the members of leaps and bounds.
will be very brief. That this is an investigation of a public scam. The division bench of this court held this is a public scam. It should be investigated, and the Constitutional Court, in fact, has initiated the investigation on our prayer. And all the issues which are related to this investigation should come before this court. Now, the alleged letter of Mr. Kuntal Ghosh that was taken note of by this court. But apart from the fact that the contents are frivolous, anyone can read and start laughing, but I am not taking a lot to that. And this court directed the CBI to investigate into the allegation. Now that investigation again is, my lord, initiated at the instance of a constitutional court. With deepest of respect, the court below shouldn't have at all ventured to interfere with that. If anybody has to say anything, ought to have come before your lordship. But the orders which have been placed by them, I am not repeating, in fact, really usurp the jurisdiction of the investigating agency by the court, while the complainant says we have no grievance against the agency. Then what is the intention? The intention is to delay the entire investigation, which has been repeatedly reprimanded by this court. Because the public scam is again sought to be, my lord, hidden under the carpet, adopting these tactics. Therefore, my lord has the inherent power to stay these orders and direct the learned court below. So far these reports are concerned, that will be considered by this court as it is considered. The court is already in session of this matter. And the change of the investigating authorities for that purpose, with deepest of respect, is uncalled for. I do not say anything more.
The PP is here. His application.
I just came to know, my lord, from certain that an ED has filed an application.
That application is not on record.
That application, my lord,
It's not on record as yet.
so my lord,
We are not hearing that at least.
so let a copy be served upon my office. I will
Certainly.
definitely
Certainly it will be
address before
served.
your lordships, my lord, on that point. Because only one thing I am pointing out before your lordship very kindly. Just a minute, Mr. Dhiraj Trivedi, and let me submit, sir. 1 minute. Let me submit. My lord, Mr. Bikash Ranjan Bhattacharya, learned senior advocate, and Mr. Dhiraj Trivedi was not there, my lord. But everybody had appeared before Justice Tirthankar Ghosh. And Justice Tirthankar Ghosh, with regard to those 16... No, you were not there. Sheta noy. 16 downloaded files, my lord. Justice Ghosh made us a party there. And then, my lord, we had handed over the hard disks to the CFSL pursuant to the orders of Justice Ghosh. Justice Ghosh directed downloading of those files. Thereafter, Justice Ghosh again directed that those be submitted to us. That means the cybercrime cell. So, my lord, whatever before your lordship, since the application is not there, your lordship will fix a date. I'll come up before your lordship.
Let the application appear in the list. We
As
will
your lordship.
certainly fix up a date.
Yes,
Tomorrow, my lord, so didn't fit and properly.
my lord, what?
Not tomorrow. Come on Monday in that case.
Yes, my lord, come on Monday. I'll address it.
Tomorrow it's not possible.
My lord, they should not harass us by writing letters and
My lord, just before Justice Ghosh, the same point was agitated that they have written mails, and they have Justice Ghosh orally said that yes, if you have written mails, you reply or you don't reply. That is up to your wish. But that doesn't mean that they will raise this plea now again here, because once they have agitated the same point before Justice Ghosh.
Sir,
Where is the
that issue is
application?
being
Let the
adjudicated
application
by the
appear.
Yes, sir is there. Same thing, my lord, same issues are before Justice Ghosh.
The only,
Monday, let it appear. We will see what is to be done. And when is the matter? When will the matter be taken up by Justice Ghosh?
Mother, Justice Ghosh has reserved it, saying that they have given final list of judgments and written arguments. So matter is fixed on 19th. They could have moved this.
19th.
Yes, they could have moved this application before Justice Ghosh because he's arising out of the self-same issues.
My lord, we will address, my lord, why we did not. My lord will kindly see, is the application.
No, we are not hearing
My
that.
lord, I am-
Well, there cannot be
Yes.
conflicting
My learned friend is-
approaches before the different courts. In just
My lord,
court
we will
34,
satisfy
they are
you.
saying something.
I will
In
not
court
cut
here,
across why I am approaching my lord.
No, listen,
No, that-
let us come, let us meet with the application
Yes, my lord, that is what I'm saying, my lord.
on
I'm not forwarding my argument, I'm just retaliating to what is.
on the 20th, because 19th, it has been fixed by Justice
well,
Ghosh.
can it be on 21st, subject to your lordships? The 20th.
Then,
My lord is fixing on 20th.
no, thing is that the ED officials are apprehending some type of action from
Mother,
your
it's
end.
only
They
at the
are-
stage of GD, general diary.
Whatever,
Of this.
whatever.
Whatever, my lord keeps it.
PMLA scam you all are looking into. Are you aware of the assets of the persons
okay, that is
in
in,
respect of whom you are investigating these cases? No, but then I have checked that nothing is there. So I would require some more information and documents from you. Learned judge hyphen, not special, a judge hyphen CBI court number 1 within bracket in charge at Alipur, 24 Parganas South. Stop. Submission of the applicant is that the order passed by the learned judge is hampering the process of investigation which is being monitored by the High Court. Second, the list of assets of the directors of leaps and bounds, comma, the CEO and all the members of leaps and bounds. Third, the memorandum of association of leaps and bounds. Fourth, the articles of association of leaps and bounds. Fifth, the date of registration of leaps and bounds. Sixth, no, not sixth, a fresh paragraph. The report filed by the investigating agencies mentions about the involvement of several actors of the film industry. The names of the names and the list of assets of the members of the film industry which are under the scanner of the investigating agencies shall also be submitted before this court on the adjourned date, 21st. No, after this you will investigate. You will investigate. You want to say with the CBI? With the CBI. No, but then the. Yes, I have returned it because you will conduct the investigation and then come up with a report. Where are the OMR sheets? How are you getting the marks? How have you given the marks? What records do you maintain? Digitized records. Whatever is there, you produce. We will see.
প্যানেলের নাম তো ঢাকা
You have called for the candidates to produce their records and everything.
That the arrangement sheet must be produced.
That is one thing. That is for the purpose of the candidates.
But the plea,
Yes.
my lord, the plea of resorting to digital data, my lord, this is nothing but a sham, my lord.
1 minute. You
Mira
have,
copy of a machine.
you have directed the candidates to come up with their credentials. They may have the credentials, but appointment can be given only after they secure more marks than the other candidates. So the marks that you have allotted to the candidates, that will be required.
One, my lord, we are not taking off. So, my lord, we are
That is a different aspect.
candidate কি করে হবে না? And other, my lord, acted that they are not getting candidates. My lord, we have
That is also with regard to the credentials. No, apart from the credentials.